the next step is to take the chopped raw, or the 1/8 inch cut asparagus, and put it in a bowl. We're going to combine everything. The peeled fava beans that have been blanched and peeled, and then the asparagus tips, which we have also blanched. We're going to toss those with a tablespoon of really good quality olive oil. Very good quality would be extra virgin. That's the very first press of the olive oil. And then we're just going to mix it together. You can use your hands for this too if you like. And then we're going to put in some salt and pepper to taste. I usually take my hand like this. I would say that's a teaspoon. And put it in. And then the pepper. If you think I'm adding sugar because of using this, I use a lot more salt than I do sugar, so I just put it in a sugar shaker. And for cooking, it is so handy. Anyway, and then I just mix this all up. Okay. That's going to sit aside for a moment.